Are you wasting money on cabbage? Stop right there. What if I told you that you could grow your own cabbage at home easily, quickly, and without spending a fortune? In just 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to grow cabbage the smart way. Let's get started. Why spend money on store-bought cabbage that's often loaded with pesticides? Growing your own is healthier, fresher, and incredibly cost-effective. Plus, cabbage is a resilient plant that thrives in most climates. All you need is a little space, some seeds, and a bit of care. Let's break it down. First, gather your supplies. Here's what you'll need. Cabbage seeds. Pick a variety that grows well in your region. Rich, well-draining soil. Mix in compost for extra nutrients. A sunny spot in your garden or a large container if you're growing indoors. Watering can and basic gardening tools. Pro tip: choose a pot with at least 12 inches of depth for container gardening. Step 1. Prepare the soil. Loosen it up and mix in compost to ensure your cabbage has all the nutrients it needs. Step 2. Sow the seeds about ½ an inch deep and space them 12 to 18 inches apart if you're planting multiple. For containers, plant 1 seed per pot. Step 3. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and give them a gentle watering. In just 7 to 10 days, you'll see tiny sprouts popping up. Exciting, isn't it? Here's how to ensure your cabbage grows big and healthy. Watering. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Sunlight. Ensure your cabbage gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Feeding. Add a natural fertilizer like compost tea every 2 to 3 weeks. Pest control. Watch out for aphids and caterpillars. Use neem oil or make a DIY soap spray to keep them away. In about 70 to 100 days, your cabbage will be ready to harvest. You'll know it's time when the head feels firm and is the right size for its variety. Use a sharp knife to cut it at the base, and there you go. Fresh, homegrown cabbage ready for your meals. See how easy it is to grow your own cabbage? No more wasting money at the store. Start your cabbage garden today, and you'll have fresh, chemical-free vegetables at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's grow together, literally. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.